Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am showing you an amazing new app setup that lets you watch brand new movies and TV shows completely free. No subscription, no hidden fees, just pure entertainment on your Firestick. Plus, I have a quick step-by-step installation guide coming up. That takes just a few minutes. You are watching TechVibes. If you want to keep these apps running smoothly without any annoying buffering, make sure to use NordVPN on your device. Check out the installation link right down in the description and top pinned comment. So, why does your Plex app buffer constantly or miss out on the latest free live television guide updates? It usually comes down to data throttling from your internet provider or heavy memory clutter on the default system networks. Let us fix that right now and turn your Firestick into an optimized free movie powerhouse. Step 1. Clear out your default system cache. Go to your settings menu on the home screen. Click on Applications, select Manage Installed Applications, scroll down to Plex, click on it and choose Clear Cache. This removes temporary data blocks instantly. It makes your user interface feel super snappy. Step 2. Force Stop Background Data Hogs. While you are in the Manage Installed Applications menu, click on any unused application that runs constantly in the background. Click on it and choose Force Stop. This frees up your system RAM immediately. It keeps your device processing power focused entirely on your video quality. Step 3. Download the Plex application from the official store. Check this out. It is a total game changer for over 60,000 free movies and more than 600 live channels. Go to the Find section on your home screen, search for Plex, click Download. Once it installs, open the application. Step 4. Configure your free interface profile. Launch Plex and click on the Sign In Later option if you want to skip account creation. Navigate straight to the Free Movies and Live TV section on the left sidebar to access popular studio hits completely legal without a paid membership. Step 5. Customize your navigation sidebar for easy viewing. Hover over the free Live TV or on-demand tabs inside Plex. Click the option menu on your remote control. Choose Pin to Sidebar. This keeps all the $0 content right on your main dashboard layout. It is a complete no-brainer for quick channel surfing. Step 6. Configure your advanced network connection settings to stop provider throttling. Go back to your main Firestick settings. Click on Network. Hover over your current connection and click Forget Network. Reconnect to your router, but choose the advanced option this time. Manually set your primary DNS to DNS 8.8.8.8. Set your secondary DNS to DNS 8.8.4.4. This routes your traffic directly through the Google public servers. Step 7. Adjust your quality streaming parameters inside the app. Open the Plex settings menu, go to Quality. Change the remote streaming video quality from standard configuration to maximum. This tells the application to deliver the cleanest picture format available without artificial downscaling bottlenecks. Step 8. Configure your audio and hardware settings for maximum performance. Go to Main Settings. Click on Display and Sounds. Set your resolution to auto-match original frame rate. If you use a streaming soundbar, make sure your high-speed data cable is plugged into a port labeled HDMI 2.1. For wireless internet setups, always connect your Firestick to the 5 GHz wireless network, instead of the older 2.4 GHz band to maximize your download capacity. Here is a quick pro tip to keep your new Media Hub running at maximum speed. Go into your Firestick Preferences menu, click on Privacy Settings, turn off device usage data and turn off Collect App Usage Data. Go to Data Monitoring and turn it off completely. This stops background tracking scripts from running. It saves your internal processor power for perfect video playback. Drop a comment below if you face any difficulty during the setup. I will reply within 1 hour to help you out. If this video saved you some cash, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to TechVibes. You can absolutely turn your streaming device into a free media powerhouse today. See you in the next one.